Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VDRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move here today. Not only from a price action perspective, but then you look down here at the volume, and the biggest volume this one has had in quite a while. So definitely a great way to end the week. So let's get some levels of support mapped out, then we can talk about areas of resistance. The first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? My answer would be right here at that point. What is that? At 0.017. You can see several times today the price tried to break up through, or I should say break down through that 0.017 mark. And every single time the bears tried, the bulls held up very strong. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below there, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can continue to repeat that same sort of price history right there, that would certainly be the best case scenario for the bulls. Next level of support after that be this previous breakout point down there, and that sits at 0.014. So 0.017, 0.014, two of the two near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So if you're just sitting there saying, I just care about measuring, gauging the health, the strength of the overall price movement. How can I do that? Again, that purple line, and the easy way to look at that is simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, pretty in-your-face level of resistance, right up there at 0.021, sort of a random number, but there's no doubt about it. Looking here at the chart, you can see several times the bulls have tried to press up through that mark and just haven't been able to quite do it. So for whatever reason, that's where the sellers have decided to show up. But all in all, without question, very strong way to end the week. And as long as the price keeps building higher bases, then it'll only be a matter of time before 0.021, falls as resistance. So nice way to end the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week.